The growing public enthusiasm for ice and snow sports and activities has opened up business opportunities for winter sports equipment suppliers in China. Qiqihar Heilong International Ice and Snow Equipment Company Limited is one of the best-known winter sports brands in northeast China's Heilongjiang province, a popular destination for winter tourism in the country. Boasting a history of over 70 years, the company's main products include ice skates and skis, and it also provides various kinds of sports services.
受这回冰雪经济浪潮之下呢，厂子也是得到了这份红利。我们的销售额呢也有了一个比较好的一个增长，也体现了说我们东北地区有这么一个优势，也是给我们一次契机吧。我们企业也是借助这次机会，要大力发展我们的研发能力，普及我们的这些装备，为我们的大众体育做出自己的贡献。
The company now has 8 patent technologies for ice and snow sports products and an intelligent production line with an annual production capacity of 3 million pairs.